Hello everybody, in this video we'll show you how to use Domo, the data visualization program, and everything you need to know as a beginner. So the first thing you have to do is when you get on the website, you want to try for free or watch a demo. And after you click that, it's going to prompt you to sign in, and you're going to have a business email. And this is the part that I had some trouble with. So you have to create you have to create a company domain using Wix or whatever website you like to prefer. And after that, you have to use your own email for that domain. And that's really, really easy. Just search up how to create a company domain business email, something like that. And then after that, once you have that, they're going to send you a code. And then you need to sign in. They're going to say, tell what team do you work on? Just say whatever you want. And I'll just say sales. And I'll do data creator / analyst. And I'll just say owner. Then from there, it's going to give you a dashboard. So just click yes, I want a free personalized walkthrough. Or if you don't, just say no, I'd like to figure it out myself, because they give you like a calendar, and like I think you book a meeting. So while we wait for this to create, it's going to show us the dashboard. Yeah, okay, here it is. As you can see from here, they have just say welcome to Domo. Okay, I'm going to exit from this and just show you guys right now. So as you can see right here, there's the main three things are connect your data and build a visualization and create a dashboard. So if they're cluing in on those three things at the top of the menu, that's probably a clue that they want beginners to know that. So we'll just come back to this in a little. And the overview, when you go here on the dashboard, is the most important insights on the personal dashboards, because overviews are always private and can't be shared. So cards that you want to share can be moved to other dashboards. So it's just basically a summary of all the visualization, all the projects that you've done, and everything like that. And then the favorites are, the cards that you put favorited and shared are, if you want to share it with someone. So you can just do new collection. I'll just call it shared collection, and then you can just add a description, and then from there just click save, and then you can just share it by like publishing as a slideshow and then sharing the link. But let's get back to the main point that they want us to learn. So connecting your data, so uploading files. So from here you just search connectors, and then you can use all of these programs. It's like basically endless. Like I could, if I wanted to, add a connector to Instagram, and then from there, essentially it's like Make. If you've ever used Make or Zapier, you like add a pipeline, and then from there it connects or assigns it to someone depending on who you want. And that's basically the connect your data section. And then you can build a visualization. So I'll show you right here. If you want to, for example, let's do visualization for the first one, and let's do online data editor. So this is basically an Excel sheet. I'll just name this video example, and you can, I don't know why it's not letting me. Okay, there we go. I can just name this, for example, the watch time, for example, for my video. And I could add a new column and call this the RPM. I'll just say this one's the click-through rate. And then I believe it's exactly like Excel. So for example, I can say on Thursday that my watch time was 4 hours. And then if I want to, can I do the 2 times 2? Does it do that? Okay, I'm not exactly sure for the arithmetic operations, but I'm sure they have it. And you can just click save and continue, and then you can click the cloud integration. Of course it's going to be Domo. You're on Domo, and then just wait for it to analyze. And this is the cool part. It essentially allows you right here for the analyzer, and you have general, you have legend, you have bar settings, grid lines, whatever. It's basically Excel, except you don't need to pay for it. Oh, I mean, I guess you do, but we're on the free demo. So you can go to variables and segments, and if you want to add a string, you just click the button that adds a string. But here, if you want to do a bar graph, I didn't put anything for RPM. Maybe I should do something for RPM, but let's do watch time. You know what? I'm gonna go back to watch time. I think I. One second, guys. One second. Okay. All you have to do to go back to the graph of whatever you want, you just click data right there. So I'm just gonna put uh dog. I'm just gonna. Okay, I just re-edited it. I'm sorry. There's a little bit of a technical issue there, but yeah, I just clicked the watch time and RPM right here as 5 unique values, and then from there you just have to just again name it something, and then we'll click save, and then now it should give us the data values. Yeah, so as you can see, you can go to general, you can change the border color if you want, or the font size. And those are just the customizations, the formatting. It's not the most important part, the numbers. But like from here, as you can see, we can look at TA, and then we'll look at the sum of RPM. It add all the values for RPM, and we can also look at watch time. As you can see, if we go to watch time, the sum turns to 15 instead of 76 because we had different numbers. And then we can put this in a bar graph, a horizontal graph, a line graph, and it's just the United States if you want. But yeah, it's a great visualizer program. Let's show you guys something else. I think you guys get the idea for that. We'll go back to overview and we'll do the create a dashboard. And here's a good part to learn how to create a dashboard. So I'll just say this is my epic dashboard. I know, super creative. And then I'll just select the data set that we created. We'll just select that and we'll click get started. Essentially, it's going to use AI to analyze your data and generate visualizations. And yeah, if this takes longer than 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's going to take a little bit. But oh, they already have example sales dashboard. So right here, as you can see, they have, they have a top icon right here for sales ops. They also have the executive summary and the pipeline, the quarter yield. These are all based off of the data sets that you can import. Like I just created an example data set. Like I didn't import anything. I just created random values like 1 through 5. And essentially from there, you can click views, you can click at add, you can just do account ID, for example, and then we'll just, we'll select some, we'll click apply, and then we'll say filters. And I'll just say, yo. And then essentially it just filters the dashboard so you can see those specific fields. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you later. Bye.